From the Mumbai studios of Republic TV, it's time for Arnab Goswami on The Debate.
Arnab Goswami on The Debate at 9. Presented by Amity University. Powered by Softovac and Ganesh Atta.
Good evening and welcome. We all know that there is a politician in India with deep links to Dawood Ibrahim. We all know. But for years we have known the name. And yet the agencies and government after government have done nothing to investigate. In India, some politicians do deals with Dawood's henchman Iqbal Mirchi, but they are still not in jail. Now the nation wants to know whether we will know the names of every party and every politician who sponsored, worked with and collaborated with the gangster who killed 8 policemen last week and was caught in Ujjain this morning. His name is Vikas Dubey, and we want to know details of his diary. The diary in which we believe the names of all politicians and parties who worked with his mafia are written. And because there's a larger issue to be raised, that's what my debate will be about tonight. Not just Vikas Dubey, but his diary. The hashtag is Vikas Dubey Diary tonight, ladies and gentlemen. I demand that diary be made public, that all of us get access to it page after page, line after line. That's when the truth will come out. That's debate number 1 tonight, viewers. That's debate number 1 on Vikas Dubey's diary. Ladies and gentlemen, which party has links with gangsters? Ladies and gentlemen, that's going to be followed by debate number 2 this evening on the killing of nationalists in Kashmir, and debate number 3 this evening, under pressure from the Chinese ambassador in Nepal, the country has decided to ban all Indian news channels. I will ask the people of Nepal why they have become stooges of the Chinese and why they should rebel against the leadership that takes away their democratic rights. All this and more is coming up, and here are the headlines this Thursday evening on The Debate tonight.
मैं विकास दुबे हूँ कानपुर वाला।
He won't forget that tight slap in a long time. Gangster Vikas Dubey arrested after 6 days in Ujjain.
पैन कार्ड में उसने नवीन पाल लिखा हुआ था और वो अपनी उम्र 28 वर्ष बता रहा था, तो उसने झूमा झटकी करना चालू कर दिया, पर इन्होंने उसको पकड़ के रखा.
Surrender narrative falls flat. Home Guard claims the mafia don tried escaping like a rat.
उस टाइम पे वो भाजपा में है नहीं, वो सपा में इस टाइम.
Criminal mastermind's mother admits to his links with the Samajwadi Party. What will the encounter conspiracy theorists say now? Lashkar killed patriotic BJP leader and his family. The proof is on tape tonight. Wasim Bari after Ajay Pandita. Naya Kashmir erupts in anger over Pakistan-sponsored killings of Kashmiris. And under Chinese pressure, Nepal now bans private Indian news channels. Ladies and gentlemen, after a 172-hour chase, gangster and mafia don Vikas Dubey was finally arrested in Ujjain this morning. While the entire country is celebrating this arrest, guess who's sulking? Is the same old, defeated, decaying, rotten Lutyens lobby. Their conspiracy theories and encounter angles have turned out to be a complete bunkum. Tonight, they must answer the people of this country. Will they speak out against all politicians with mafia links or not? The nation wants to know. Let's debate.
674 kilometers from Kanpur in the Mahakal temple of Ujjain, the chase for dreaded mafia don Vikas Dubey ended. Wearing a striped white t-shirt and a mask around his face, he walked into the temple premises with a 250 rupees ticket. He thought he could get away, but here's how Vikas Dubey was made to face the law.
उन्होंने उससे पूछा कि भाई तुम्हारा नाम क्या है, तो उसने बोला कि मेरा नाम शुभम है। उन्होंने पूछा आई कार्ड दिखाओ, तो उसने दिखाया तो नवीन पाल का आई कार्ड निकला वो। तो पैन कार्ड में उसने नवीन पाल लिखा हुआ था और वो अपनी उम्र 28 वर्ष बता रहा था, जो कि एकदम बिल्कुल मिसमैच था। तो हम लोगों को गहरी शंका हुई और फिर हम श्योर हो गए कि ये वही है। उसको बिठाया तो उसने झूमा झटकी करना चालू कर दिया और जिससे ये रवि है क्यूआईडी में, इसका उसने घड़ी भी तोड़ दी और ये मोहित, इसकी नेम प्लेट भी टूट गई। पर इन्होंने उसको पकड़ के रखा और फिर उसके बाद फिर जैसे ही एसपी साहब ने यहाँ पे महाकाल थाने में सूचित करा कि वहाँ पे उस लड़के को वहाँ ले आओ, फिर हम लोग यहाँ थाने तक उसको लेके आए और फिर हमने उसको रवाना किया।
This CCTV footage shows how the criminal, who has the blood of 8 policemen on his hands, was dragged by the Madhya Pradesh police. And cornered, he proudly shouted his name, only to get one tight slap.
मैं विकास दुबे हूँ कानपुर वाला। हवाई
When he's being caught, he shouts out, and that's on the road because he wants to send a message out to the public that he's being caught. So he is dreading for an encounter. He knows that if he tries to flee, he will be encountered, and that's why he's trying to send out a message to the people that मैं हूँ विकास कानपुर वाला, because the people, the bystanders who were looking, the message can then just trickle out.
For the last 6 days, he has travelled to at least 5 states, travelled a distance of close to 1,215 kilometers before being arrested in BJP-ruled Madhya Pradesh and spilling out details of the pre-planned conspiracy of the ambush. While the entire country celebrated the arrest of the mass murderer, the lobby that spun tales around him, predicting his escape to Nepal, anticipating that he will be encountered to keep the dirty secrets under wraps, to even giving a car spin to villainize the Yogi government. The Lutyens Brigade is in sulking because Vikas Dubey's interrogation could lead to some uncomfortable truths coming out. His connections to various political parties in the state will no longer be behind the veil.
सरकार से आप क्या चाहती, क्या कार्रवाई चाहती है सरकार से?
सरकार तो जो उचित समझे वो करिए, हमारे कहने से कुछ नहीं होगा भैया। जो सरकार इतनी बड़ी सरकार है, उस टाइम पे वो भाजपा में है नहीं, वो सपा में इस
समय सपा में है, समाजवादी पार्टी में।
हाँ।
The Vikas Dubey case cannot be viewed in isolation. It is about the deeper rot, the gangster links to politicians that has plagued the system for years and now needs to be identified and uprooted. Let's debate.
Tanveer Ahmed, you know, you had all said that, and yesterday, day before, 2-3 days, all the ignoramuses of Lutyens, the fools of Lutyens, they all said that Vikas Dubey will be killed by the UP government in an encounter. Some of these fools also tweeted it. They said, we've got breaking news that is going to happen. My sources, they said, has said. By the way, this WhatsApp university that they are all a part of, they have no shame. Within half an hour, all of them tweet the same message. I wonder which mafia don godmother has given them the instruction that please put out this news. See, I'm not naming anyone. My question is, was Vikas Dubey killed in an encounter? No. Was he found dead? No. Was he silenced? No. Was he caught? Yes. Has he been caught alive? Yes. But I wonder, like I said in my Hindi program today, I said, जो लोग कल तक चीख के कह रहे थे कि योगी आदित्यनाथ विकास दुबे का एनकाउंटर कराएगा, मनीष शुक्ला जी उत्तर प्रदेश के बीजेपी के प्रवक्ता हैं. आइए डिबेट में, यू कैन कम इनटू द डिबेट विद तनवीर. Today all those people are looking like murjhaye हुए फूल, you know, wilted flowers. Why? Why are you unhappy that Vikas Dubey has been caught? Why are you unhappy that we have got his diary? Why are you unhappy that details of the diary are going to come out? Why are you unhappy that all his links with all his political friends is going to come out now? The nation wants to know, Tanveer. Tell me. I hope you don't have any links with him. Do you have any links with him?
The only person who's very unhappy. Arnab,
विकास दुबे की गिरफ्तारी के बाद उनकी माता सरला देवी ने जो बयान दिया कि
एक सेकेंड रुकिएगा सर, आपको बात करने का मौका मिलेगा. एक सेकेंड रुक जाइएगा आप. आपका कट्टा चिट्ठा हम पाक करेंगे. एक सेकंड रुक जाइएगा. चिल्लाना बंद कीजिएगा. योगी आदित्यनाथ और आपकी गवर्नमेंट को 1 मिनट में
मनीष शुक्ला,
योगी आदित्यनाथ और समाज पार्टी के शासन में जी.
अरे मनीष शुक्ला जी कितना झूठ बोलेंगे, थोड़ा तो शर्म कर लो. आप चाहते थे विकास दुबे का मर्डर कर दे.
अरे भाई,
विकास दुबे को
2004 से 2017 के बीच में
770 पर 2 किलोमीटर वो ट्रैवल करता है और वो उज्जैन में
दिया गया.
उज्जैन में
तो ये आखिर क्या कहलाता है?
गार्ड के द्वारा
अखिलेश यादव की सरकार में उस
झूठी पुलिस के द्वारा
गनर दिया गया.
आप झूठे
मायावती की सरकार में उसको गनर दिया गया. मुलायम सिंह की सरकार में
आपका सारा प्लान
संतोष शुक्ला की हत्या करने के बावजूद वो बाइज्जत बरी होता है और मुलायम सिंह की सरकार हाईकोर्ट नहीं जाती है. और अब विकास दुबे की माता के ये कहने के बाद वो समाजवादी पार्टी का बोनाफाइड मेंबर है. ये कंफर्म होता है कि चूंकि योगी आदित्यनाथ की सरकार लगातार गुंडों के ऊपर कार्रवाई कर रही है, इस विकास दुबे को जेल भेजा. 3 साल की सरकार में 2.25 साल वो जेल में रहा और 2 और 3 जुलाई की रात में भी पुलिस उसको जेल में भेजने के लिए पुलिस गई थी. आप जवाब दो कि अखिलेश यादव ने क्यों गिरफ्तार नहीं किया. आप जवाब दो कि अखिलेश यादव ने क्यों उसको गनर दिया था. उसकी पत्नी को क्यों जिला पंचायत सदस्य बनाया था.
अगर चिल्लाना बंद हुआ तो जवाब देता हूं.
आप जवाब दो.
अगर आपका चिल्लाना बंद हो गया, झूठ बोलना बंद हो गया तो जवाब देता हूं. रुकिए
सरकार में
अरे अर्नब जी, ये कौन चिल्ला रहे हैं? अर्नब जी,
और
इनको चिल्लाने के अलावा कुछ और आता है क्या? बस
जवाब दीजिए. जनता के सामने आप एक्सपोज हो गए हैं.
पहली बात तो विकास, सुनिएगा. अरे सुनिएगा, जवाब दीजिए, देंगे. सुनिएगा अर्नब जी, पहली बात तो उत्तर प्रदेश की पुलिस ने इनको नहीं पकड़ा, प्राइवेट सिक्योरिटी गार्ड ने पकड़ा. और मैं लखन सिंह को सलाम करता हूं. एक ब्रेव लखन सिंह ने पकड़ा. Yes, private security.
No. One second. One minute. Pradeep Bhandari is on the debate right now, viewers. A claim has been made here that he was caught by private security guards. Viewers, show the pictures. Is the person who slaps him a private security guard? Let's show the pictures full frame. As far as I know, I can see policemen around him. Pradeep, what are we seeing?
The person who caught him his name is Lakhan Yadav. The one who caught him, his name is Lakhan Yadav.
Colorblind is what I think.
It is not
because
the police.
The men in khaki are policemen and Tanveer has turned colorblind. Tanveer, look at it closely. Remove your spectacles and look at it, please, Tanveer. Tanveer, can you just please look at the camera and at least look at the television set, please. You are a rational man. I know your hatred for Yogi Adityanath, but let's talk rationality. Acha, Tanveer, let me come in. Tanveer, please, let's be rational. Tanveer, you also admit this, and all of us admit this, that the police has done a good job. The police has arrested Vikas Dubey, irrespective of what the Lutyens lobby was talking about, sitting in their 2 BHK and 3 BHK apartments.
Abdul Hafiz is on the debate with Pradeep Bhandari. Abdul Hafiz. Abdul Hafiz is on the debate as well. Yes, please. Let's open up 2 versus 2. Yes, Abdul.
In the recent past, he might be the first criminal who murdered a sitting minister inside a police station, and all the eyewitness policemen turned hostile, which means that
Audio is not clear. Please fix it.
The police was sitting idle for the last 2 days when this Vikas Dubey was in Ujjain. Ujjain is 3 hours drive from my place where I am sitting, and I know it very well. I have entered the Mahakal Mandir thrice.
and I've gone in the prangan of the mandir and I know the scrutiny over there. The scrutiny is very much clear, but what the Bharatiya Janata Party government police was doing from last 2 days, why Vikas Dubey has gone to all the BJP ruled states. There is a conspiracy which should be unleashed, and there should be a high-level probe.
Because they are the neighboring state. In Uttarakhand, you might have gone by, you might have said Uttarakhand is also BJP
First of all,
BJP is ruling so many,
PM has given the statement that he has been caught by the guard, and none of the normal people over there.
So many states, right? He will not go to Punjab. He will not go to Maharashtra, right? He will go to neighboring state.
The police has not caught Vikas Dubey. The police.
Arnab, from last 6
he
days,
has been handed over to the police because Ujjain PM has given his statement. Make this thing very much clear. They are taking the.
From last 6 days, I'm hearing 3 reasons. From last 6 days, I'm hearing 3 reasons. First, they said no, he's a Brahmin. Yogi is a upper caste guy. He will never catch a Brahmin, right? Then he saw, okay, Yogi is after him. They said no, he will encounter him. So that all facts will be buried. And when he's get caught, no, it's MP police, it's Chowkidar, it's the security guy. They don't know
the lockdown.
This is the Yogi.
He was never caught.
No, this is not it. The previous
Can you help me with one thing? Can you help me with one thing? Can you give me the addresses of all your anti-Yogi
police and the Madhya Pradesh police?
Can you give me the addresses? Can you give me the addresses of all your anti-Yogi brigade? And I want to give this book. I want to give this book to all of them to know about Yogi Adityanath. They don't know about Yogi Adityanath. Can you please help me?
You should name it Jungle Raj. You should name it Jungle Raj in the Yogi Sarkar. You should write one more book. And that's the need of the hour. What was UP police doing? The man who has killed 8 policemen. Our 8 policemen were martyred, and the man was roaming freely and has been caught by a guard of the mandir and not by the policeman. You should write one more book. This book is of no use, and you go and write one more book which should showcase the Jungle Raj of the Yogi government.
Please help me with the addresses of all these anti-Yogi brigade panelists of yours, and I'll give them this copy of my book, my bestseller, free of cost. They should know who Yogi is. How much I know about Yogi?
Everybody is witnessing who Yogi is.
He will not leave him.
With these daylight murders, the 8 policemen getting murdered in one single moment, everybody knows what Yogi Raj is now. You should write one more book. You go and write one more book about the Jungle Raj of the Yogi government. Why all the criminals joining the Bharatiya Janata Party? Why all the criminals
finally UP seeing the daylight. Finally UP seeing the daylight. UP which was clocked down by Criminal Raj, by Atiq Ansaris and Afzal Ansaris and whatnot, Raja Bhaiyas of the world. Now this is the time. This is Yogi Raj.
And now every criminal with the Yogi government.
They will go out of UP, or there will be an encounter, right? You know how many people encounter? 114 encounters. And who are these people who fled jails, who fled courtrooms? Who fled courtrooms? No, these people encounter is also one of the solutions.
No, if Yogi is so tough, 1 minute. Shantanu, and I did not notice at all, don't worry, that you plugged your book twice in the course of your reply. But let me ask you anyway. Let me ask you anyway. Let me ask you anyway, regardless of that. That's all right. No, my point is, if Yogi is so tough, if Yogi is so effective, if Yogi is so brilliant, if Yogi is so omnipresent, omnipotent, omniscient, and absolutely the most incredible man as far as internal security is concerned, then kindly tell me. No, don't tell me. Tell Manaswi, because Manaswi just listening. Or tell Manaswi, how is it that 8 policemen had to be killed for Yogi to wake up?
Not 8. Many people got killed, Arnab. Many people got killed. Not 8. In last 3
No, I'm asking about this man, Vikas Dubey.
It is not the time to sell books.
Manaswi and Shantanu on the debate.
Listen to me now. Listen to me, Arnabji. Give me 120 seconds. I'll nail them fact by fact.
These 8 cases are just in the series of the 150 cases he has. He's not a 6.
Shantanu-ji, listen to me. You had a monologue.
So Shantanu's argument is that if he has killed 142 till now, what if he kills 8 more and the number goes to 150? Great, Shantanu.
Finally, you guys are all showing him, Arnab. Finally, how many shows have you done on Vikas Dubey in last 20 years?
I am asking you. I am asking you, why did your Yogi Adityanath government wait for 8 policemen to be killed?
One finger, this 4 fingers will be on you.
No, all my fingers are on you. I am asking you,
He has killed many
you
people.
can see, your problem with you is Yogi can do no wrong.
What are you saying? You came in power with the promise of no
It will take time.
Gundaraj,
It will take
na
time.
Bhrashtachar,
It's a
na
rotten
Gundaraj, na
system of
Bhrashtachar.
3
You came in
decades.
power because
It's
of
a
this.
rotten system
In
of 3
2017,
Yogi.
Shantanu ji, now listen to me.
Shantanu.
Now listen to the
decades.
voice of the people of this nation.
Arnab, you know
Shantanu
how
ji, listen to me now.
criminalization is
Arnab ji, I
institutionalized
would
by
want
Lalu Prasad
60
Yadav and
seconds
Mulayam Singh
uninterrupted.
Yadav. We all know it, right? We all know it. That how criminalization
Shantanu ji,
is
it is not Lalu Prasad
institutionalized
Yadav. I
in
want you to
politics
listen to
by
everyone.
Lalu Prasad
Do not
Yadav in
create a
Bihar and
monologue.
Mulayam Singh Yadav
You
in
may
Uttar
have a love for
Pradesh.
Yogi Adityanath ji. You may continue loving
now.
him. But
Now
this is about the people of
now
Uttar
finally-
Pradesh.
now
It's
finally
about
the roots are
the
coming out.
honesty, the trust of Uttar
Arnab, you want to
Pradesh,
stand
which
by
you have
people like
betrayed.
लड़के हैं गलती हो जाती है और योगी राज. Tell
Shantanu
me,
ji, you
Arnab,
have to
as
listen.
a media person,
Shantanu ji, you have to listen.
as a zimmedar person,
Shantanu ji,
whom do you want to
please
stand?
calm down.
One
You have to
minute.
listen.
Manasvi asked me a question. I need to reply to his question. No. 1 minute. 1 minute. He asked me today whether I need to choose between Yogi and Mulayam. And who the hell told you there are only 2 options in this country?
Wow.
And my second question to you is, allow me to complete. Allow me to complete. Allow me to complete. Arey bhai, allow me to complete. I haven't even begun. Shantanu, sure, Shantanu, you are like a hedgehog.
I'm giving you.
You're like a hedgehog. You're prickly to the world outside, but you're very prickly in turn. Anybody takes you on, you curl up. Listen, I'm taking you on live television.
No, Arnab.
Please ask Yogi Adityanath, call him right now. Call Yogi Adityanath right now and ask him. Allow me to complete, Shantanu. You're not even listening to the question. That's a body blow to logic. Listen to me. Please listen to me. How did Yogi Adityanath allow this man? Wait a minute, Manasvi. Listen to me. How did he go from Lucknow to Agra to Faridabad to Delhi to Kota to Ujjain, crossing boundary after boundary after boundary during COVID times?
See, in last 30 years, Arnab, friends of media, Mulayam Singh Yadav, Akhilesh Yadav, Mayawati, all the...
I can't hear Shantanu. It's very low, so you'll have to increase the volume a bit.
Administrative failure.
No. My question is...
Blame it on Nehru.
Arnab, is it better now? You're able to hear
It is better. Now tell me, where is his diary?
Nobody dared to touch
Yogi
him.
Adityanath government.
Where is his diary?
Nobody dared to touch him.
मुझे
Nobody
बताइए, शुक्ला
dared
जी.
to touch him in last
No.
30
I get
years, nobody
Abhishek
dared to
Mishra on the
touch him.
debate. Let me get Abhishek with Anirban, please. Thank you. Abhishek and Anirban, my question is, I just want to know, all his secrets are in a diary. Okay, Abhishek? Now suppose Yogi says there is no diary. Where is the diary? His diary has all the contacts, all the payments, all his collaborators, all his political sponsors, all his friends in politics, in the media, everywhere. Where is the diary? I know you got him, but I need to know from the UP government today that we have got the diary. Otherwise, what's the point getting him without his diary? Maybe you will kill the evidence. Abhishek? Where is the diary?
I don't think there's any maybe. For sure.
Yes. The gangster Vikas Dubey himself in a video, very important point, Arnab, himself in a video has clearly confessed that मैं बहन जी के पार्टी का हूँ, बहन जी मायावती मुझे 100 लोगों में बुलाती है, मुझे नाम चेहरे से जानती है, एंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंटली ही सेज मैं किसी और पार्टी में क्यों जाऊं, यहाँ तो मैं मास्टर हूँ, मैं किसी पार्टी में जाऊंगा तो छात्र बन जाऊंगा. That shows the how strongly he was intertwined with the Bahujan Samaj Party. And then Arnab,
that was when the BSP was in power, sir.
Tell the truth.
That was when the BSP was in power.
Vikas Dubey has contested on the BSP ticket विकास दुबे has said, मैं बहुजन समाज पार्टी का मास्टर हूँ, मैं कहीं और क्यों जाऊँ? And his wife has been elected on a समाजवादी पार्टी ticket. That clearly proves that the BSP and SP, बहुजन समाज पार्टी and समाजवादी, Akhilesh and Mayawati, Mulayam and Mayawati, they were responsible for creation of Vikas Dubey. सबसे most important point है ना, whom did Vikas Dubey shoot in 2001? He shot a BJP minister. That means he was a henchman of Mayawati and Mulayam, and he was shooting BJP minister in 2001. He is a creation of Mayawati and Mulayam. He is a creation.
I ask again, was that my question, Anirban? Was that my question? My question is, where is his diary? What was my question, Anirban?
Answer this question or not.
I want the diary.
This question.
Where is the diary? See, even Shantanu is avoiding my question.
They will blame it on Mayawati, they will blame it on Nehru, they will blame it on Gandhi.
On diary, Arnab, on diary I'll answer, but let
No, you answer. Tanveer also wants to ask you, where is the diary?
Diary will also come out. He's just
I
got
think
arrested
Nehru
today.
took it.
Yeah, on diary. Arnab, you understand.
There in
Last
Yogi
6 days.
Adityanath's office.
Last 6 days.
Arnab, the diary is there in Yogi Adityanath's office, and he's busy writing some names.
Last 6 days. Yogi Adityanath ji's government
Yogi Adityanath के office में and is busy writing some names.
Have been arrested. Vikas is also arrested. All the evidence will be brought out. Arnab, just wait one day. Arnab, wait one day. But tomorrow in night's debate, you will see how further the investigation has gone. I request you, Arnab, wait
Some
one day.
fake diary is going to come within a day or two,
Mayawati Mulayam lobby,
where some opposition names are going to come out, and they will say, see,
because
Vikas
they
Dubey is a
have an
criminal.
agenda. These people who are against the Prime Minister's agenda.
He become a
Tanveer ji, one question for you.
Yogi's government is in jail. I don't know which government you want to stand with. You decide, Arnab. You decide, Arnab.
तनवीर जी जवाब दीजिए. विकास दुबे से
बहन
जी के पार्टी का मास्टर हूँ. बहन जी मेरे दोस्तों को टिकट देती है.
अभिषेक and Tanveer.
विकास सेड बहन जी मेरे दोस्तों को टिकट देती है.
He said.
तनवीर विकास दुबे सेड बहन जी मेरे दोस्तों को टिकट देती है.
Correct.
Imagine
मायावती और विकास दुबे 2001 में कहा था इस बात को. 2001 में कहा था.
What was Mulayam doing?
सुनिएगा.
What have they done to the state? Why have they destroyed Uttar Pradesh?
2001 में कहा था.
विकास दुबे. My question to you, Tanveer Ahmed. Why did Vikas Dubey say कि मायावती मेरे कहने पे टिकट देती है?
Let me answer.
Why did Vikas Dubey say कि मैं बहन जी के पार्टी का मास्टर हूँ?
Sir, I got your question.
Answer.
I'm not. Sir, I got your question. I got your question. The answer is, he said it in 2001. Now Mr. Yogi Adityanath was the protector, promoter, propagator of all the criminals like this. Vikas Dubey 3 साल से क्या थे? दामाद थे योगी आदित्यनाथ के. क्यों उनको अरेस्ट नहीं किया गया था?
मनीष शुक्ला.
8 लोगों को शूट करके
मनीष शुक्ला.
मैं तो जेल चला गया था संतोष शुक्ला की डेथ में.
1000 किलोमीटर ही ट्रैवल
से मुझे भी टिकट मायावती दे रही थी.
1000 किलोमीटर ही ट्रैवल.
मनीष शुक्ला is on the question.
ये फर्क है पूरे देश जाने.
उत्तर प्रदेश
मायावती टिकट देती है, योगी जी पकड़ते हैं.
Catch him.
Manish Shukla.
Who catches him is a private security guard.
Manish Shukla of the BJP will respond to this. Manish Shukla, before you come in, Tanveer, listen. Who is the gangster party here? Does a gangster party ensure the arrest of Vikas Dubey?
BJP.
No, 1 minute. You're saying BJP is the gangster party?
BJP is a gangster party.
Okay. Now, does a gangster party
Yes,
coordinate? Sir. Okay, you have said. So you'll have to hear the response. You have said that BJP is a gangster party. Tell me, does a gangster party have chief ministers of 2 states, both from the BJP, coordinate to catch, apprehend, interrogate and hand over Vikas Dubey? Does a gangster party put police on high alert to catch a mafia don? Does a gangster party interrogate him in this way? Does a gangster party ensure the arrest of Vikas Dubey? Does a gangster party refuse to tolerate his threats?
Sir, all this all this drama happened to protect him, not to catch him. All this drama happened to protect him, not to catch him, to safeguard his life. All this drama happened. He travels from 772 kilometers and private security guard.
But yesterday you said...
It really shows that there is a nexus.
Thank you, Manish's turn. Thank you, Manish.
हमारी 3 साल की सरकार में 1.25 साल विकास दुबे पहले जेल में रहा, जमानत पर बाहर आया, उसको हमने इनामी घोषित किया। 2 और 3 जुलाई की रात में भी पुलिस उसको गिरफ्तार करने गई। जब ये घटना घटी उसके बाद उसके गैंग के 6 साथियों को पुलिस ने मार गिराया, 1 दर्जन से ज्यादा लोगों को गिरफ्तार किया, उसके आर्थिक साम्राज्य को तहस नहस किया। 7 दिन के अंदर उसकी गिरफ्तारी हमने सुनिश्चित की। लेकिन 2004 से लेकर 17 तक सपा और बसपा की सरकार में 40 से ज्यादा मुकदमे कायम हुए, एक बार भी
आपने उसका सरेंडर का प्लान बनाया,
गिरफ्तारी नहीं हुई,
उचित प्लान बनाया उसके सरेंडर का।
आपको उत्तर प्रदेश के बारे में कोई जानकारी नहीं है।
प्लान था वो, प्लान था।
2.25 साल वो जेल में था।
मैं विकास दुबे कानपुर वाला,
हमारी 3 साल की सरकार में
कि उसकी जान
2 साल जेल रहा।
योगी आदित्यनाथ की गवर्नमेंट में
मायावती जी उसको
शायद 2024 में इलेक्शन लड़े और
अखिलेश यादव उसको गनर देते हैं, मुलायम सिंह यादव उसको बाइज्जत बरी कराते हैं और हमारी सरकार उसको जेल में भेजती है। 2.25 साल हमने उसको जेल में रखा। उसके 6 साथियों को मार गिराया पुलिस ने और यूपीएसटीएफ ने। उसके आर्थिक साम्राज्य को छिन्न भिन्न कर दिया गया है और आज वो गिरफ्तार हुआ है तो उत्तर प्रदेश की पुलिस और एसटीएफ के दबाव के नाते गिरफ्तार हुआ है।
इतना झूठ बोलोगे, आपका झूठ एक्सपोज हो गया, दुनिया जानती है कि आप झूठे हो।
उसका माफिया चार्ट बनाया जा रहा है।
Viewers, the reason the Vikas Dubey case is so interesting, the reason the Vikas Dubey case is so interesting is because all political parties are blaming each other for being his sponsors. The reality is, however, viewers, that Vikas Dubey has cohabited with almost all political parties. He has been with the SP, he has been with the BSP very deeply, and he has links with local level BJP leaders that even Shantanu cannot deny. Now and he has very deep links with the bureaucracy and the police system. So much so that topmost police officers were his informers. Viewers, this is therefore a classic case of a mafia don cohabiting with politicians. Now the only argument is who brought him into limelight, in whose time did he gain prominence, who allowed him to become a land grabber. Those are matters of detail. The bigger issue is how pathetic the situation is today. That today every political party is being linked to a mafia don. Viewers, all these political parties have blood on their hands, and instead of pointing their fingers at each other and instead of Shantanu telling me that if I point the finger at him, 4 will point at me because there's a terrible cliche to use anyway, the question he should be asking himself is what has happened to the BJP that it could not protect its district level leaders from becoming close to Vikas Dubey. If you were so tough, if you were thok denge sabko kind of government, then why didn't you do the same to Vikas Dubey so far? Now, I have a very fascinating guest. His name is Anubhav Chak. He's from Kanpur. He has made 2 appearances on my Hindi show, Shantanu. And the reason I find Anubhav Chak very interesting is because while we all talk about Vikas Dubey, he's one man who actually knows a lot of details about the political background, the patronage systems, and the political contacts of Vikas Dubey. Anubhav Chak, I will not interrupt you. Nobody will interrupt you. You are free. Please tell us all about the political links of Vikas Dubey. वो कैसे चलते रहे, किन किन लोगों के साथ उसके कांटेक्ट थे. You can speak in English, Hindi as you please. I will paraphrase if required. Anubhav जी.
जी देखिए, सबसे पहले जो विकास के अपराध जगत में एंट्री होती है, सबसे पहले संरक्षण देता है उस नेता का नाम के नेताओं में, कांग्रेसी नेताओं में शुमार था, उसका नाम था देवचंद्र पांडे। वहां से विकास दुबे की अपराध जगत में एंट्री होती है। 96 का जब आता है साल, उस साल समाज पार्टी के जो दिग्गज नेताओं में शुमार किया किशन श्रीवास्तव, वो विकास दुबे अपना हाथ रखते हैं। और जिस राज्य मंत्री की हत्या की बात हो रही थी, संतोष शुक्ला की, उसकी हत्या जब होती है तो विकास दुबे और लल्लन वाजपेयी का जो आपसी विरोध था, और उस विरोध में हरिकिशन श्रीवास्तव ने जो इसके ऊपर संरक्षण दिया था, उस वजह से विकास दुबे का जो दुस्साहस था वो इस कदर बढ़ गया कि भरे थाने में 31 पुलिस वालों के बीच वो उसने हत्या करने का काम किया। चूंकि उस समय भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार चल रही थी, इस वजह से वो अपनी जान बचाने के लिए उस समय प्रदेश छोड़ के भागने को मजबूर हो गया। लेकिन जैसे ही मई 2002 में बहुजन समाज पार्टी की सरकार बनती है, क्योंकि विकास दुबे की पकड़ बहुजन समाज पार्टी में बहुत ही मजबूत थी, तो विकास दुबे को ये विश्वास आ जाता है कि हम वापस उत्तर प्रदेश आते हैं। और जब वो उत्तर प्रदेश आता है तो बहुजन समाज पार्टी की जो उस समय के तत्कालीन बहुत कद्दावर नेताओं में शुमार किए थे राजा रामपाल, जो कि आजकल टीम प्रियंका के बहुत अहम सदस्य हैं और कांग्रेस पार्टी के राष्ट्रीय सचिव भी हैं, वो विकास दुबे को कोर्ट के अंदर पूरे तामझाम के साथ हजारों लोगों के साथ नारेबाजी कराते हुए सरेंडर कराते हैं। और विकास का दबदबा और भय और आतंक ये पूरा शहरवासियों के मन में बैठ जाता है। जब इतनी बड़ी हत्या का अभियुक्त इतने तामझाम से बड़े आराम से सरेंडर कर रहा है,
अनुभव जी, just 1 minute. Anubhav ji, 1 minute. Anubhav ji, 1 minute. Important point now emerges. Wait a minute. Anubhav Chak, who is a very respected political analyst from Kanpur, says that a person, I think you mentioned the name of Raja Rampal. Raja Rampal, who was then in the BSP and now is working very closely with Priyanka Vadra.
Yes.
You are saying that he actually accompanied Vikas Dubey when he went to surrender?
Yeah.
And therefore he was very close to Vikas Dubey?
विकास दुबे को संरक्षण देने में और जिस समय विकास दुबे को सरेंडर कराया, इसी राजा रामपाल ने हजारों समर्थकों के साथ भीड़ जुटाकर उसको वहां पे सरेंडर कराया कानपुर कचहरी में। और यही राजा रामपाल आज की तारीख में कांग्रेस के राष्ट्रीय सचिव हैं और प्रियंका गांधी की कोर कमेटी के प्रमुख मेंबर हैं ये।
You are saying that he is the present national secretary of the Congress party.
बिल्कुल।
Interesting. Now I want a response on this. You are saying that a national secretary of the Congress party today, I don't know this, viewers, I can't verify, was the person who took Vikas Dubey, accompanied him, showing him open support to the police station. Respond, Tanveer, come on. Now Tanveer and Abdul Hafiz will look down. Now they will not reply. Now they are uncomfortable. Their narrative is disturbed.
Sir.
No, sir, word nahi.
Why am I
answer the question
sir?
Straight.
Why am I uncomfortable?
First of all, let's not
question answer यही है
such allegations.
And
oh, this allegation now. Abbas Hafiz calls it an allegation.
अपनी शाखाएं बढ़ा रहे थे.
I have a serious question. A goon who is having 60 deadly cases over him, and why? How come he is out on bail? Why Yogi's government has not protested against his bail?
No, that was
and
not
how can he roam freely and kill our
Shantanu responded.
The irony is from last 3 decades is out of jail. Yogi government put himself in jail. He said, how come he was out of jail for 3 months in Yogi government? And that's the comparison they're making. For 3 decades he was out of the jail. In 3 decades he never seen the jail. And Yogi government, he just used the trickery of the law, came out on bail, and they're saying, oh, why he was out of jail for 3-4 months, and then Yogi government attacked him again. Yogi government attacked him again then.
Why your police was not against his bail?
I think Anubhav
60 deadly cases, that too of murders.
Anubhav Chakji have clearly explained. I think we finally find out in everything there is a Congress ka haath.
Right now you are in government inquiry. Put anybody who's supporting Vikas Dubey behind bars. Who's stopping you from any such serious investigation? Why the Madhya Pradesh police, which comes under Madhya Pradesh CM Shivraj Singh Chauhan, has not
Abbas Hafiz.
Behind criminalization of
Shantanu, a minute. Abbas Hafiz. Right, and Pradeep can take you on this, right until the nth hour of the arrest, your lobby was having a field day running conspiracy theories about a possible encounter. I am asking you, where are they today? Now, let me tell you, there is a really foolish Latvian journalist. She's not a journalist, but she claims to be one. Nowadays, anyone who's got a blue tick calls themselves a journalist. Last night at 11:57 p.m., viewers, you can check. This foolish, ill-informed blue tick. She said, Vikas has managed to reach Nepal. Breaking news. Where are they now? Now, I don't want to take names, Shantanu. But there are people who anchor programs at 9 p.m. and get 0.5% share. Yesterday they said that their sources told them that he is going to be encountered because he has the secrets of big people. Where was the encounter, Tanveer?
The UP
Where was the encounter?
In fact,
where was the encounter? They wanted him to be encountered. Would I say that maybe their political sponsored wanted Vikas Dubey killed? Now, consider one thing. Consider one thing. Abbas, don't shout. Abbas, don't shout. Abbas, don't shout. Abbas, don't shout. Abbas, my question to you is 1 minute here. Abbas, listen. Abbas, maybe certain lobbies. I'm not saying Congress, I'm not saying SP, I'm not saying BSP, but people who worked with him were so afraid that if Yogi catches him, he will make him squeal and he will make him reveal the truth. So before he's caught, spread the truth. Maybe they wanted to encounter him. Maybe they wanted to kill him.
Maybe they wanted to kill him. The police was actually avoided catching him.
In fact, if truth and logic is North Pole, Abdul, let me make my point and then you can come in. Both of us will speak over each other. It will not happen. Shantanu, 1 second. Arnab, if logic and truth is North Pole, the lobby will be South Pole. They've done everything else apart from journalism in their life. They are better lobbying experts than journalists, Arnab. Arnab, I want to take forward the Congress point. In Kanpur, the Kanpur has always been a stronghold of Pramod Tiwari, who's a very strong Congress leader. In fact, Congress is trying to make it as a Brahman versus Thakur politically in Uttar Pradesh using Vikas Dubey. So what the respected political analyst said, that the individual Raja Rampal, I just checked it up, he's actually holding a national secretary position inside UP Congress. So he's speaking facts. So I am saying, Arnab, that lot of people will be rattled if the diary of Vikas Dubey is revealed. So I appeal to you.
I have one more thing to say. I have one more thing to say. I have one more thing to say. Allow me to complete, please. Allow me to complete. The launderers of news, those who are launderers for a living, those who also call themselves launderers, right? The launderers of news who never speak about money laundering when it happens to people related to the launderers company. There is a company which calls itself Launderers, which never talks about money laundering cases when it happens to people who are associated with running the laundry company. My question is, they said yesterday, they said we are putting out a prediction. Vikas Dubey and his entire gang will be eliminated in encounters. The nexus will not be revealed. And this is going to happen. Now my question is, they put out encounter predictions. These sellouts.
Shame.
Where is the encounter?
Shame.
Where is the encounter today? Tell me.
Shame.
Shame on these people. They call themselves media.
If that guy wouldn't have caught him,
I'm telling you, these people were rattled because they were thinking that if Vikas Dubey is caught alive, maybe he will reveal the larger ecosystem at place. It is just not a political, administrative, police ecosystem. There are people in the Latins and the lobby which might be exposed. That is why these people wanted. These people were coming up with stories that he would be encountered. But the truth and the reality is that he is now caught. Now, the moot point here is that the diary has to be revealed in entirety. The diary cannot be revealed selectively. Once the diary is revealed, all of these cards will come out. That is the moot point. And this is why Abdul is rattled here, because in the past 2 decades, this is for the first time. This is for the first time that Vikas Dubey has been caught red-handed.
The UP police must not have objected.
I wish to ask you, Tanveer, I'll tell you one more thing. And now let's bring the debate to basics. कोई माँ अपने बच्चे के बारे में झूठ नहीं बोलती। मनीष शुक्ला जी डिबेट में आइए। विकास दुबे की माँ, उन्होंने खुद कहा कि मेरा बेटा बीजेपी के साथ कुछ नहीं है, मेरा बेटा समाजवादी पार्टी में है। एक माँ अपने बेटे के बारे में कभी झूठ नहीं बोल सकती।
को क्या कहकर ये कहने के लिए मजबूर किया गया?
मजबूर? वो तो रिपोर्टर पूछ रहा था।
माँ को ये क्या
रिपोर्टर ने मजबूर किया गया? क्या बात कर रहे हैं आप?
अरे कौन रिपोर्टर है? कौन रिपोर्टर है? कौन रिपोर्टर क्या पूछता है? भाजपा के साथ, सपा के साथ?
मनीष चौहान, viewers, Vikas Dube's mother said that he is associated presently with the Samajwadi Party.
देखिए, आज की डेट तक विकास दुबे
का मर्डर हो जाता, विकास दुबे का मर्डर हो जाता, अगरचे विकास ने अपना सरेंडर प्लान नहीं किया था, प्राइवेट सिक्योरिटी गार्ड ने पकड़ के
हमारी सरकार ने
योगी आदित्यनाथ।
I want to play the soundbite, viewers. मैं जरा वो क्लिप प्ले करता हूँ, मैं वो क्लिप प्ले कर देता हूँ, मैं क्लिप प्ले करता हूँ, प्लीज मैं क्लिप प्ले करता हूँ। मनीष जी, ये क्लिप सुनिए, ये क्लिप सुनिए, ये क्लिप जरा प्ले कीजिए उसको।
आप क्या चाहती, क्या कार्रवाई चाहती है सरकार से?
सरकार तो जो उचित समझे वो करिए, हमारे कहने से कुछ नहीं होगा भैया। जो सरकार, इतनी बड़ी सरकार है, उस टाइम पे वो भाजपा में है नहीं, उस सपा में इस टाइम,
इस समय सपा में है, समाजवादी पार्टी में।
हाँ।
So this is information that obviously she is sharing with a reporter, and there are 5 or 6 cameras in front of her. Nobody is putting words in her mouth. आपने देखा। now Manish ji was saying something. Manish,
who has helped him out from the?
देखिए अर्णव जी, आप अगर विकास दुबे की हिस्ट्री उठाएंगे तो 2002 में राजा रामपाल ने सरेंडर कराया। 2006 में मुलायम सिंह की सरकार में वो बाइज्जत बरी होता है, पुलिस वाले गवाही नहीं देते हैं और हाई कोर्ट नहीं जाती है मुलायम सिंह की सरकार। 2004 से लेकर 17 के बीच एक बार भी विकास दुबे गिरफ्तार नहीं हुआ। 40 से ज्यादा मुकदमे कायम हुए। 17 में जब भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार आती है, योगी आदित्यनाथ की सरकार आती है, तो जेल जाता है और 3 साल की सरकार में हमारे पौने 2 साल वो जेल रहता है। जमानत पर बाहर आता है तो फिर वो जेल में रहे, इसके लिए उसके ऊपर इनाम घोषित करते हैं और 2 जुलाई की रात में उसकी गिरफ्तारी के लिए पुलिस जाती है। और उस दिन एक दुर्घटना घटने के बाद 7 दिनों के अंदर इसके पूरे गैंग का सफाया किया जाता है। कुछ मरते हैं, कुछ गिरफ्तार होते हैं, इसके आर्थिक साम्राज्य को छिन भिन किया जाता है। अब किस मुंह से ये लोग डिफेंड कर रहे हैं, कितनी बेशर्मी से डिफेंड कर रहे हैं। अब तो उसकी मां ने कह दिया,
देवेंद्र मिश्रा के बारे में कुछ
अब तो उसकी मां ने कह दिया कि हम समाजवादी, हमारा बेटा समाजवादी पार्टी में है। इसके बावजूद अब आप लोग को हाथ खड़ा करके सरेंडर कर देना चाहिए। तनवीर जी, आपको अब तो माफी मांग लो देश से। तनवीर, अखिलेश यादव, मायावती जी से कहो अब तो माफी मांग ले।
नहीं मांगेगा, आप मांगिएगा देश से। 8 पुलिस वालों की शहादत के लिए आप माफी मांगिएगा। 8 पुलिस वालों की शहादत, 8 पुलिस वालों की शहादत के लिए आप माफी मांगिएगा। आपकी वजह से देवेंद्र मिश्रा का लेटर आपने पढ़ा,
कर दिया,
आपने
हमने उसको जेल भेज दिया। विकास दुबे को जेल भेजने के लिए हम माफी मांगे?
कौन है उसके मुखबिर?
दुबे के गैंग के सफाई के लिए
आप बताइएगा। योगी आदित्यनाथ
on the other side there is some more evidence. 1 minute, Manaswi. Now, if you are on the debate with Abhishek Mishra, and let me place a couple of points before you. Yes, it is true. It is the Yogi government which has actually caught Vikas Dubey. Second point, incidentally, it may be of interest to you, in the last 20 years that Vikas Dubey has become this mafia don, 15 years, it has been the SP and BSP in power. Secondly, Vikas Dubey's arrested relative Anupam Dubey, he is from the BSP, and he even contested the 2017 elections from the Hardoi district on a BSP ticket. Second point, please, your hatred for Yogi or BJP should not become an obstacle in your, logical thinking. Now, you said gangster party. Vikas Dubey's wife is Richa Dubey. I will show you pictures of Richa Dubey with Mulayam Singh Yadav and Akhilesh Yadav in posters for the Zilla Panchayat polls. Okay? There are pictures of Vikas Dubey with former minister and Samajwadi Party leader Aruna Kori. Now I can also prove to you that Vikas Dubey's wife paid money for her induction into the Samajwadi Party. I repeat, she paid money in 1992 to be inducted into the Samajwadi Party. Vikas Dubey's guru was an SP leader, Hari Krishan Srivastav.
Can I come in now?
He was, I think, speaker in the Mulayam Singh Yadav government. No, you'll come in, but I must completely expose you before you come in. No. Now you have to also understand one thing. You said gangster party. In 2001, who was the gangster party when BJP state minister, sitting minister Santosh Shukla was killed by Vikas Dubey? Mayawati came to power after that. What action did she take? She didn't take action, she rewarded him. And between 2007 and 2010, when UP was under BSP rule, police booked him under just NDPS charges, after which he was released. Why did Mayawati release him? Who is the gangster party?
Arnab, a very strong point.
Now,
Arnab,
you understand? You see, you understand this?
Okay.
Do you and lobby people understand that?
Can I come in now?
No, 1 second. You are on the debate with Abhishek. Abhishek wants to follow up. Abhishek and then you. Abhishek and then you.
Yeah, first point.
What you have spoken, but
yeah, Arnab, first point. First point.
Abhishek.
The moment. No. 1 second. Let me make the first point. Let me make the first. Yeah. The moment Vikas Dubey was caught by the police today, the first person to tweet was Akhilesh Yadav. He was the most disturbed person today. He said, "Arey, ye arrest hai ya surrender hai?" That shows whose heart was fluttering the most कि ये क्या हो गया, ये कैसे योगी जी ने arrest करवा दिया, कैसे शिवराज जी और योगी जी का coordination हो गया. So that is the biggest evidence. Second, Arnab, the most clinching evidence is Vikas Dubey had said कि मेरे कहने पे टिकट देती है बहन जी मायावती. Third most clinching evidence is his mother is saying कि अब ये सपा में है. तो the most important thing is the son is saying मैं बसपा में था. Mother is saying
he doesn't have a reply. Abbas takes over. Manasvi doesn't have a reply. Abbas takes over. Yeah, Abbas.
I have a reply. You are not letting me speak.
And Yogi has been tough against him.
दो प्रदेश की सरकार की पुलिस आपकी उसको छोड़े हुई थी, उसको पकड़ाए और JDM ने कहा कि मंदिर के गार्ड ने आप कहाँ हैं फिल्म में, आप कहाँ हैं पिक्चर में? Where the hell are you in the picture? You are nowhere. The guard of the Mandir Mahakal Mandir has taught him, and that's what the statement says of the DM Ujjain. You haven't done anything. You are letting him move freely everywhere. He has traveled in all your routes, all the BJP will display, and none of the police, none of the state police could do anything.
Akhilesh Yadav, Mulayam Singh Yadav, Mayawati should be held responsible. The whole country is asking Mayawati and Akhilesh Yadav, Mulayam Singh Yadav, why did you do Vikas of Vikas Dubey?
Well, if you want to talk about, if you want, I'll just conclude by saying this, that if you want to talk about gangster parties, if you want to talk about gangster parties, I promise you I will talk. Did Mayawati roll out the red carpet for Mukhtar Ansari? Let's talk. Did the Samajwadi Party give tickets to Mafia Don Atiq Ahmed? Let's talk. Who are the politicians named in the Vora committee report with links to the Dawood Ibrahim? Let's talk. Who was the politician when Interpol red corner notices were pending against Iqbal Mirchi, who signed plush property deals in South Mumbai? Let's talk. Did the Congress not refuse to eliminate Dawood? Let's talk. Which party had a prison hotline with Lalu Prasad Yadav? Which party's leader spoke to Mafia Don Shahabuddin? Was it Yogi or was it Lalu? Let's talk. You want to talk? You want to talk? Then I'll open it all up. आप कहाँ मुँह छिपाएंगे तब? Where will you hide?
On the ending note.
Where will you hide then? Ladies and gentlemen, I take a break. On the other side at 10:30 p.m. My reminder, I'm asking Nepal why it's so nervous that it's banning Republic after 12 o'clock midnight tonight. In a few minutes.